Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the calculator that's built into your iPhone 14. This is easy to do. So to find this, if you ever need it, swipe on down from the top right corner, and you'll be able to find it right here. And then select it, and it'll bring up the calculator. So it's not a very complex calculator, but it's going to do simple math for you. And we should be able to find it under our settings as well. So if we scroll through the home screen here, we can find something called Utilities, where we can find the calculator listed in here. It'll bring us to the same area. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.